sun hat on. Okay, so if you open really wide, so I'm going to try and, the lip is very strong, so what I can do is grab the jaw gently and pull it. I'm just going to go down here, let your lips go floppy if you can, and you need to just be quite firm. So I'm kind of there, little jiggles, and what you're trying to do is you're creating a 45-degree angle with the toothbrush bristles so that they're massaging the gums. Now, he's going to be a little bit uncomfortable here. Is that okay, Paulie?
Yeah.
Yeah, so I'm actually using only enough pressure to flex the bristles, and see how I'm not flat?
Mm-hmm.
If you guys come back over here, you can see how the bristles adapt. So if I'm flat, it's like this.
Yes,
and then
on an angle.
Yeah, about 45 degrees towards the gums. And I'm being quite firm on your lips, sorry, Paulie. I like to go from the back to the middle, and then I go to the back again. Sorry, Paulie, I've got you in a headlock here. It's not wrestling. Okay, little jiggles or circles. So what we're trying to do is stimulate the gums to cuff onto the teeth tightly, not scrub the teeth.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, have a little swallow for me. Oh, you got great saliva, Paulie.
Gigi.
Head back in the middle again. I'm going to do the inside. Can you look towards this, just that way, sweet? Okay, so in the inside, you get most of. Oh, wisdom tooth. Who's let you keep these wisdom teeth all these years? Head up for me. Okay. So here I'm trying to get the bristles right below the tongue. Paulie's tongue's quite strong. Sorry, sweetheart.
Just relax, darling.
So do you think maybe
That's
when
good
his teeth
there.
are sorted, we use just a small brush instead of using the electric
If you
brush?
come over on this angle from a more... So see how we've got the bristles flexing?
Yes.
Yeah. What did you say,
Great
sorry?
stuff, mate.
But just saying, when his teeth, like you were saying, are a bit sore, some of
Yeah.
it, do you think it would be easier for us to just have a soft brush,
Yep.
non-electric brush?
Yep. Going all the way back there. So I don't need, because and then you can scrub the tops. Okay, have a little rest. Is that all right?
So
Do you want me to come and brush your teeth every day?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's a soft.
This is like a children's toothbrush.
Okay.
The bristles are beautifully soft, and they're really like, because the head's
Nice.
so
It's
small.
just the head looks so small.
Because the head's so small, you can't rush, and that's one of the things I really
Nice.
like about it. Let's do the top teeth.
Marky.
Can we do the top ones? Up the top
No.
here. Head up for me.
Head up, Polly.
Great.
Okay, get my little finger. Oh no, don't you bite me. I am not chocolate. Okay, so for the top teeth at the very back, you pull the handle out towards the ear, and you can go up.
Right.
And then slowly coming around on that 45-degree angle. Sorry, my hand's going to be in the way of the film. Dental cinematography and training here. Okay, back to the middle, and I go to the other side. Close a little bit. Can you close a little bit? There we go. Hand out towards the ear. Oh, it's making your lips look pretty funny here, Paulie.
Open your mouth, darling.
It's actually pretty good for the back teeth if Paulie closes just that little bit. You're going to have heaps better access because the jaw muscles won't be in the way, and he's got big jaw muscles. You've got big muscles, Paulie.
Yeah.
One more thing, I just have to do the inside now. Is that okay?
Yes.
This is the last quarter. All right, let's do it. Head back again.
Open up wide.
Open up for Mum. Okay. Try and stay open. Yep, there we go. So the angle's a bit funny back here because he's got that thrusting tongue, which a lot of people have. But once again,
Open up wide, darling.
I can see. Mum can't see though. Okay, and see up here, instead of sort of doing these ones, I've got that flex of the bristles. It tickles up there, hey?
Better with
You
the
know,
electric brush.
That's
When you're
the
doing
only
that
time you can
underneath,
tickle
that
yourself.
bottom.
Can I show how to do it with the electric brush? But
Yeah.
I'll only just show them on your bottom teeth. Is that cool?